I fell over. But wait, what does that even mean? Did I fall on something? Did I fall with style? Hi everyone, I'm your favorite English teacher, and today we're tackling a super confusing but super common topic: phrasal verbs. What is a phrasal verb? A phrasal verb is a verb combined with a little word like up, out, over, in, or off. Sounds simple, right? But here's the tricky part. The meaning is often idiomatic. You can't always guess it from the words. For example, give up doesn't mean handing something upwards. It means to quit. Run into doesn't mean you crash into someone. It means to meet someone unexpectedly. So how do we deal with this? We learn them in context. Let's look at 5 popular phrasal verbs you'll hear all the time. Give up, to quit. I tried juggling, but I gave up after 5 seconds. Look after, to take care of. My neighbor asked me to look after her cat. Turn on, turn off, to activate or deactivate. I turned on the lights and scared the dog. Wake up, to stop sleeping. My alarm goes off at 6 a.m. Do I wake up? No, I cry. Come across, to find by accident. I came across an old photo of me with a bowl haircut. Phrasal verbs can be confusing. But here are 3 smart tips. Learn them in groups, like turn on, turn off, turn up, turn down, all about changing something. Watch shows or YouTube in English. They're everywhere in real speech. Use them. Make fun sentences about your life. So, don't give up on phrasal verbs. They'll make your English more natural and fun. Like this video? Then turn on your brain, wake up your vocabulary, and come across the subscribe button right below. I'll be back soon with more English fun here on my favorite English teacher. Bye bye.